Okay, so example number 3, no? Example number 3, half-wave rectifier, okay? When you say half-wave rectifier, this is a sinusoidal wave in which one cycle or one one of its wave is missing, no? So ito yung itsura ng half-wave rectifier. Saan ba 'yon? Ito. Kung mapapansin natin dito, this is a sinusoidal but yung kuan niya, yung area niya sa baba is wala, no? Ibig sabihin, sinusoidal, then straight, sinusoidal, then straight, sinusoidal. So, yun yung tinatawag na half-wave rectifier. Okay? So, so we have here sinusoidal voltage E, sine of omega t, where t is time, is a pass through a half-wave rectifier that clips the negative portion of the wave. So, ibig sabihin, nawala yung negative portion ng wave na sinusoidal natin. So, find the Fourier series of the result periodic function. Okay? So, we have here f of t is equals to 0, no? If t is from negative L to 0, no? As I have said, na-clip yung isang negative sides ng ating cosine. Ng ating sinusoidal wave. So, kaya here 0 siya from negative L to 0. And then it is equals to E sine of omega t if t is from 0 to L. Okay, so as you can see here, our period is from negative L to L, or this is equals to 2 pi over omega. So, that's why L natin is equals to pi over omega. Okay? So, ganun pa rin yung solution dito, no? We have to use equation for A sub O and equation for A sub N and equation for B sub N to find the constant A sub O, A sub N, and B sub N. Then, after that, we have to substitute that constant doon sa final equation natin. Then, after that is makukuha na natin yung Fourier equivalence of our given function. So, just giving you a reminder, no? Okay? Dito sa kuan natin, baka naman ay tanong nyo na, sir, paano ba, sir, yun gawin, no? Or medyo mahirap yun, sir, kasi hahanapin ba namin yung A sub O, A sub N, and B sub N, then papalit na naman natin siya. So, no, actually, this type of problem is madali lang siya kung naintindihan natin yung dapat nating gawin. Okay? So, okay, ito yung dapat yung gawin. We have, ang gagawin nyo is, kung meron kayong given na function, no, ito yung equivalence niya na Fourier series or Fourier series, no. Okay, ito yung equivalent niya na Fourier series, provided that yung A sub O, A sub N, and B sub N is makukuha nyo sa using this formula here. Okay? Then, if makuha nyo na yung formula, or if makuha nyo na yung A sub N, B sub N, and A sub N, saka nyo ipapalit dito sa A sub O, A sub N, and B sub N. Yung kanina na examples natin, kaya yung final answer natin are all function of cosine, ito yun siya, as you can see here, are all function of cosine, because, okay, yung B sub N terms natin are equals to 0, no? Kasi bakit, no? Dito sa f of x natin dito, kung b sub n natin is 0, so 0 multiplied by sine of n pi over L, x is 0 pa rin. So, that's why doon sa example natin dito is wala yung sine terms natin. Only cosine terms. Okay? So, yun yung tatandaan nyo dyan. Yun yung procedure. So, again, hahanapin nyo muna yung mga constant na a sub o, a sub n, and b sub n, saka nyo ipapalit dito sa f of x natin. Okay, so saka nyo makukuha yung Fourier equivalence ng ating given function. Okay? Okay. So, now, dito tayo sa simplification. Okay? Even and odd function. So, dito, itong simplification na to, magagamit natin to siya, okay, to simplify our calculation. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is, identify whether the given function is even or odd. If the given function is even, okay, ang result natin, no, final result natin na given, final result natin na Fourier series is only cosine terms, no. If it is odd, no, if the given function is odd function, ang final result natin would be sign terms lang yung involved sa kanya at saka yung okay, sign terms lang yung involved sa kanya. So bakit? Saan ba 'to ginagamit? For example, dito. Okay, sa formula na 'to. Okay? So for example, what if ang given natin na f of x is even? So kung ang given natin na f of x is even, so ibig sabihin cosine terms lang yung involved, wala yung sine terms. So ibig sabihin hindi mo na iso-solve si b sub n, no? Kasi alam mo na si b sub n is equals to 0. So ang iso-solve mo lang is a sub o at saka si a sub n. Okay? So yun lang ipapalit mo rito. So cancel na yung sine terms dito. Okay? Now, if the given function is add, no? If the given function is add, so ibig sabihin nun wala tayong cosine terms at saka wala tayong a sub o. So ang ika-calculate mo lang is si b sub n, no? So kumbaga na less yung kwan mo, yung effort mo para sa solution mo. Okay? So yun. So the question now here is that, sir, paano namin ma-identify na yung given function is odd or even? Okay? So yun yung question, di ba? So okay, now, so meron tayong dalawang formula here, no, to find if it is even or odd. Meron tayong dalawang approach. So first one is to if the given function is given yung kanyang graph, so mahanap natin yung kanyang if it is even or odd using its graph, no. So for example, itong figure 266, no. Since itong figure 266 with respect to 0x or yung vertical axis natin, no, with respect to our vertical axis, yung graph dito at saka yung graph dito is symmetrical. When you say symmetrical, magkaparehas or mirror sila. So ibig sabihin yung function natin is odd. I mean even, no? Once again, if the function if the configuration of our function is symmetrical sila with respect to the vertical axis, so ibig sabihin nun yung function natin is even. So pag even, ang hanapin mo lang is yung a sub o at saka a sub n. So hindi mo nahahanapin si b sub n. Okay? So yun. Okay? So another formula is this one. Okay? Kung hindi given yung graph mo tapos ang given lang is yung f of x, kailangan mong i-satisfy to siya itong function equation na to. So paano ano ba lang ibig sabihin ng f of negative x is equals to f of x? So ibig sabihin lang niyan yung kung meron kang given na f of x, papalitan mo lang lahat ng mga x niya ng negative x. So kung parehas siya ng result doon sa f of x, okay, na given, so ibig sabihin even yung given na function mo. Okay, once again, kung meron kang given na function na f of x in terms of x, yung mga x niya doon, papalitan mo lang ng negative x. So, kung ang result is parehas pa rin doon sa given na f of x mo, so ibig sabihin nun, yung function mo is even. Okay? So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng even simplification. Now, how about for add? For add function naman, just like for this 267, parehas din sa kanina, no? Kung ang given mo is eh kung ang given mo na function is even, kung ang given mo na function is may figure siya, tapos yung itsura ng figure niya is anti-symmetrical sila or opposite sila with respect to the vertical axis, kagaya dito sa figure 267, na yung figure dito sa kabilang side dito is opposite doon siya nalagay sa taas, okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, add yung function mo, okay? Add yung function mo. So, or, kung hindi naman given yung figure, so, ito na lang gamitin mo, yung f of negative x is equals to negative of f of x. Ano ibig sabihin ng equation na to? So, ang ibig sabihin ng equation na yan, kung meron kang given na f of x, okay, kung meron kang given na f of x, tapos papalitan mo ng yung mga x niya, papalitan mo ng negative x, dapat yung result is mag-equal doon sa negative ng given na f of x mo. Kung masatisfy mo yung equation na yun, so therefore, your function is add. So, kung function mo is add, so hindi mo na kakailangan i-calculate si a sub o at saka si a sub n kasi 0 naman lahat sila. Okay? So, therefore, ang kakalculate mo lang is b sub n. But take note that may mga function na hindi sila even nor add. Okay? So, kung yung mga function na yun is yun yung mai-counter mo sa problem, so, don't use this even or add function na simplification. Okay? So, yun. So, ito yung summary niya, pakibasa na lang. Okay? So, okay.